What's up, guys? All right, so we just picked it up down the street at the Fremont factory. And what do? First thing we do is we throw it up on the alignment rack just because we know 9.9 out of 10 times the alignment is going to be not good. The steering wheel was like way far to the left, just leaving, going like a few miles an hour. So we already knew that the toe had to be way off. So let's go see what the initial readings are. And then we'll button it up and everything should be gravy after that. But check this out, guys. So we've got, look at that. Steering wheel centered. We got so much toe out on the front passenger wheel. This is towed in, so as you can see, the front wheels are like this. You got a thrust angle in the back. This one's towed in more than this one. So it's just wonky. I will say, camber is really symmetrical. Camber's really symmetrical. Caster's really symmetrical, so that's impressive. But the toe is just not good. Come on, guys. Do better. Tesla, please fix your freaking alignment machines, man, at assembly time. So we don't have to keep sending these back to service for such simple things because we know these tires are not cheap. Now, I will say that this car has, again, failed inspection in many other places. We've got, I mean, really the panel gaps weren't super bad around the doors and stuff, but the front, the hood, the trunk needs to be adjusted. There's contaminants in the paint, fish eyes. There's scratches. Oh, man, there's scratches on the paint. Condensation in the tail lights. Like the car's brand new, condensation. We've got a stain on the headliner. There's a little scuff on the dash underneath. I mean, we've already started putting a laundry list of things together because we immediately need to get it scheduled for service. So, you know, I don't want this car to get messed up. It won't be driven. We've got 3 months of free FSD and supercharging, which we won't be able to use probably for, I don't know, a month. It'll probably take 2 weeks just to get this thing into the service center, maybe 3. And then who knows how long it'll take them to fix things. If they got to repaint panels, man, I don't know. But I'll probably be making our first payment, and I won't even have possession of it, much like we did with the Rivian last year on this exact same day. All right, guys. Well, that's what I got for you. We'll reconvene in 2025 when we can actually start the build. But thanks for watching. Check out the car. We still love it, but it's got to go through a month of fun corrections before we can really get into it. We'll see you on the next one. Again, guys, happy holidays. We'll catch you in the new year.